Is Atticus a real business? That's a question that pops up surprisingly often when you're talking about legal tech, intellectual property, or even just successful startups. It's a question born, I think, from a mix of genuine curiosity, a healthy dose of skepticism about anything that sounds too good to be true, and perhaps a little confusion stemming from the name itself. After all, Atticus immediately conjures images of Atticus Finch, the paragon of justice from To Kill a Mockingbird. A fictional character, to be sure. So, is the business named after him also a work of fiction? Or is there something more substantial behind the name? Let's unpack this. The legal world, traditionally, has been slow to adopt new technologies. It's an industry built on precedent, meticulous documentation, and often, a certain reverence for established practices. Innovation, while not unwelcome, has frequently been viewed with caution. This makes sense. Lives and livelihoods depend on the accuracy and reliability of legal processes. But over the past decade, we've seen a rapid acceleration in legal tech, often driven by startups aiming to streamline processes, increase access to justice, and generally modernize the practice of law. Into this evolving landscape stepped a company that, for many, seemed to emerge almost fully formed, offering solutions that promise to revolutionize how legal professionals manage their intellectual property portfolios. They talked about AI, automation, and making complex legal tasks more accessible. And they called themselves Atticus. Now, if you're like me, your initial thought might have been, wait, is this a real company or just a brilliant marketing ploy playing on a famous literary figure? It's a fair question. The legal landscape is ripe for disruption, but it's also a place where a strong reputation and verifiable existence are paramount. You wouldn't trust your groundbreaking patent application or your crucial trademark registration to a phantom entity, would you? So, let's cut to the chase and answer the question directly, unequivocally. Yes, Atticus is a very real business. Not only is it real, but it's also a significant player in the legal technology space, particularly in the realm of intellectual property management. Atticus, the company, is a legitimate venture-backed enterprise that has been making waves with its innovative approach to handling intellectual property assets. They've developed sophisticated software platforms designed to help businesses and legal firms manage their trademarks, patents, and copyrights more efficiently. This includes everything from initial filings and portfolio management to renewals and enforcement. Think about the sheer volume of intellectual property generated globally every day. Every new invention, every unique brand name, every creative work needs protection. Traditionally, managing these assets has been a complex, time-consuming, and often manual process, prone to errors and inefficiencies. This is where Atticus steps in. Their core offering revolves around leveraging technology, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, to automate routine tasks, provide actionable insights, and ensure that valuable intellectual property is properly secured and maintained. They're not just selling software. They're selling peace of mind to companies that depend on their intellectual property for their competitive edge. Their clients range from small startups with a single groundbreaking patent to large multinational corporations with vast portfolios spanning multiple jurisdictions. So where does the confusion come from, beyond the name? Part of it might be the relative newness of advanced legal tech for some traditional legal practitioners. Many established firms are still catching up to the capabilities that companies like Atticus offer. Another factor could be the nature of their business itself. While they provide services to the legal industry, they aren't a law firm in the traditional sense. They're a software and solutions provider, which might lead some to mistakenly believe they're more of a conceptual entity rather than a tangible business. Atticus operates like any other legitimate technology company. They have a physical presence with offices in key tech hubs. They employ a team of engineers, legal experts, data scientists, and business development professionals. They have investors, a board of directors, and, most importantly, a growing list of clients who depend on their services daily. Their business model is rooted in providing subscription-based access to their platforms, often tailored to the specific needs and scale of their clients. They are constantly iterating on their products, incorporating user feedback, and adapting to the evolving landscape of intellectual property law. This commitment to continuous improvement is a hallmark of any successful tech company, and Atticus is no exception. Furthermore, a quick search for Atticus Legal Tech or Atticus Intellectual Property will bring up numerous articles, press releases, and even case studies detailing their partnerships and achievements. They participate in industry conferences, publish thought leadership pieces, and are actively engaged in the legal tech community. These are all signs of a robust, active, and very real business. The naming choice, while perhaps initially a source of mild confusion, is actually quite brilliant from a branding perspective. Atticus Finch represents integrity, diligence, and a commitment to justice, qualities that any company operating in the legal sphere would aspire to embody. By aligning themselves with such an iconic figure, Atticus has cleverly positioned itself as a trustworthy and reliable partner in the complex world of intellectual property. In essence, Atticus isn't just a clever name or a hypothetical concept. It's a tangible, impactful, and increasingly important player in the modernization of legal services. They're helping to bridge the gap between traditional legal practices and the efficiencies offered by cutting-edge technology, making intellectual property management more accessible, accurate, and ultimately, more secure for businesses worldwide. The next time someone asks you, "Is Atticus a real business?" you can confidently tell them not only that it is, but that it's a company at the forefront of a significant technological shift in the legal industry. They are proving that innovation and tradition can indeed coexist, and that even in the most established sectors, there's always room for a smarter, more efficient way of doing things. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.